Today is Thursday, April 16th. We are going to take a chapter review or a chapter practice for our assessment that we'll be doing tomorrow by ourselves. What you need to do this is obviously your math page, 353, and you'll need a pencil and you'll also need a ruler, okay? So go ahead and get your stuff ready and let's begin. For number one, what we need to do is circle the object that is shorter. So we have a hair clip and a comb, and we need to circle the item that is shorter. The hair clip is shorter. For number two, they want me to circle the item that is longer. So I need to look at these two, and this brush thing down here is longer. For number three, they want me to decide which one holds more. So if I'm looking at both of these, does the spray bottle hold more or does the big pump bottle hold more? And I would say this one has greater capacity, so this is the one I need to circle. Here, I'm comparing the water bottle and the trash can, and they want me to circle the item that holds less. Well, the water bottle holds a lot less than the trash can. For number five, I need to get out my ruler and I need to place the very first little black tick of my ruler right here by this red mark. And then I'm going to look and see what number this one is by. Well, I'm going to give you a second to do that. And you'll get 7 inches. If you didn't get 7 inches, you need to stop my video and check and have your parents help you so that you can get 7 inches, because tomorrow on the test you're going to have to measure all by your own. Okay, so for this bottom part you need to listen to what I'm going to tell you to do, okay? So we have 3 different instruments here for measurement. We have a ruler, we have a thermometer, and we have a scale. Okay? So first I need you to put a line under the tool that measures how hot or cold an object is. Well, the thermometer is the item that measures how hot or cold it is. Next, I need to put an X on the tool that measures how long or how tall an object is. Well, that would be a ruler. I can measure length and height with a ruler. And finally, I need to circle the tool that measures how heavy someone or something is, and that would be a scale. Okay? The thermometer measures temperature. The ruler measures length and height. And a scale measures weight. All right, let's go to the back page. So flip your page over and let's keep working. All right, for number 1 through number 4, I need to circle the correct object. So for number 1, which one of these items would be heavier? Well, typically the bigger item would be heavier, so I'm going to circle the bigger item. For number 2, which one would be lighter, the puppy or the kitten? The kitten would be lighter. For number 3, I'm going to circle the item that would probably be measured in ounces rather than pounds. Remember, ounces is a small unit of measurement for weight. So would it be just this little pea or would it be the lettuce? I would say probably a pea. For number 4, they want me to circle the item that would be measured in pounds. Would it be a tomato or a pumpkin? Well, it would most likely be the pumpkin, so I need to circle the pumpkin. For number 5, it says fill in the circle to match the temperature. So they've given me a thermometer. I need to look at this thermometer, read the temperature, and then determine would I wear shorts or a coat. So the temperature says it's 30 degrees, okay? 30 Let's start that over. 30 degrees, okay? With 30 degrees, would I wear shorts or would I wear a winter coat? Well, 30 degrees is pretty cold. So unless you're a little crazy, you should probably wear a coat if it's 30 degrees. And that's the answer I'd be looking for. All right, number 6. Write the temperature and circle which temperature is warmer. So let's look at both these thermometers and write the temperature first. This one is right here. It stops at 70 degrees. They've already given me the degree symbol, so I just need to write 70. Okay, I'm not having great luck here. There's my 70. Okay, and this thermometer is only 10 degrees. Ooh. Okay, and so circle the warmer temperature. Which one is warmer? 70 or 10? Well, 70 is a lot warmer than 10 degrees, so I need to circle this thermometer. I can also tell that it's warmer because there's more red. So the hotter it is, the more red there is. The colder it is, the less red is on your thermometer. Okay, this was our review for our test tomorrow. If you have any questions about anything that you did today, make sure you send Mrs. Plowman a message and ask. Take care.